Hello students, now we will discuss Kirchhoff's law in electricity. Kirchhoff's law, first law or junction rule. It states that in any closed circuit, if there is no accumulation of electric charge, the algebraic sum of the electric current meeting at a point or junction is 0. The currents entering the point is taken as positive and the current leaving the point or junction is taken as negative. Suppose this is the junction O and current is I1 entering the junction O. In other branch, current I2 is leaving the junction O. In other branch, current I3 is entering the junction O, and in other branch, current I4 leaving the junction O, and in other branch, current I5 leaving the junction O. This is any junction O in any closed electric circuit. Therefore, mathematically, the current I1 is entering the junction O, taken as positive, and current I2 leaving the junction O, taken as negative, mean minus I2, and current I3 is also entering the junction O, is taken as positive, that is plus I3, and current I4 is leaving the junction O and taken as negative, minus I4, and current I5 leaving the junction O taken as negative, mean minus I5. Therefore, mathematically, I1 minus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. Put this equation number 1, or taking the negative term to the right hand side, we get I1 plus I3 is equal to I2 plus I4 plus I5. Therefore, Kirchhoff's first law also states that in any closed circuit, if there is no accumulation of electric charge, the algebraic sum of the currents entering any point or junction, that is I1 and I3, mean I1 plus I3, current is entering the junction O, is equal to the algebraic sum of the current leaving that point or junction, that is I2 current is leaving the junction O, I4 current is leaving the junction O, and I5 current is leaving the junction O. So therefore, I1 plus I3 is equal to I2 plus I4 plus I5. That is current, total current entering the junction, any junction in a closed circuit must equal to the total current leaving that junction. Therefore, according to first law, that is according to Kirchhoff's first law, I1 minus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0, or I1 plus I3 is equal to I2 plus I4 plus I5. So this is the Kirchhoff's first law, or it is called junction rule. So thank you very much.